I'm today going to show you some other aspects of clay sculpture. Its various uses for doing things in the garden. Here I have a pillar made with different tiles which have been put together, and then with marble we have done the corners, and then we have little bits and pieces so that it fits in very well in the environment of the garden. And it looks very nice because with the natural plants coming down from top, it looks like it belongs like a tree or flowers and trees that we have around here. It seems almost like it is another tree. Now here we have another much more simpler pillar in the garden also. We have these pots, different sized pots which were there, and in between we have these other smaller pots to give them a height. We have used green and the earth color which completely blends with the surrounding, and these little bits and pieces that we have added to it are also very decorative and nice, and makes it a very gay kind of piece. And then we also have here, the same method of using natural plants to grow on the soil. We have put these plants and they're growing, and some more will be put here. It looks like an organic sculpture, and not as an intrusion but as a very much a part of the garden. Thank you.